Let us see one, one Leela of Bhagavan where how his Nama protects, helps, guides the devotees. Sri Krishnamurti ji, the editor of a very popular Tamil newspaper in Tamil Nadu. He's been a devotee for many years, a very humble man. He would not demand attention or darshan from Bhagavan. He would be at a distance. If he could get a glimpse of him, that was enough for him. All the same, big things were happening to him. One day, when Bhagavan was seated just outside Pradhan Mandir, giving darshan, the one by one darshan to the devotees, Sri Krishnamurti ji came and had one look at him, and suddenly Swami disappeared. And there was only a dazzling, brilliant light waves in huge waves everywhere. He was unable to see. It was like Arjuna seeing the Vishwarupa of Krishna. Every time he would begin to describe, he would end up only with tears, unable to express himself. He would be totally lost, overwhelmed with the experience. Once he had gone, he was very much interested as a hobby in numismatics, in collecting the old coins from different countries. And there was a meeting in Spain. He was invited to that. After attending the meeting, the whole lot of them were taken in a bus to see an old fort in Spain. So they went there, they saw everything, and when they were coming out together, suddenly a huge crowd entered the doorway, and therefore they were all scattered. So after that, when he came out, he found that all those people who accompanied him had gone, and the bus was not there. He did not know how to get back. He was in a state of total confusion. He began to ask desperately everyone around, and everyone spoke only in Spanish. He could not understand a word. After 8 or 9 people, suddenly he remembered Swami and his name. He was chanting and seeking his grace for guidance. Just at that time, a man was coming along. So Krishnamurti ji approached him and asked, and that man answered in English. He was so happy. And immediately he was able to get back and then catch his plane also back home. Another time, he had gone to Italy, was staying in a hotel in Rome, and a little distance away, there was a vegetarian restaurant. He was taking food. For those few days he stayed there, he was going there. He always carried the visiting card of the hotel with him, the address, everything. But that particular day he had removed the code, forgotten, and he was walking straight to the restaurant. It was okay, he could reach and have. He could have food also, but when he came out, he was stunned. First time he was seeing these 5 lanes looking very similar. He was unable to make out which lane should he take to reach the hotel. Again the same story repeated, and then he started to chant Bhagavan's name and was praying to him. And then even while chanting and praying, he was approaching one of the lanes, and suddenly something about the lane seemed very familiar to him, and he started to walk, and he found that it was the right one and reached the hotel safely. This guidance, again, this guidance, this help, this protection. They are for all. In the journey of life. So here, at this moment, the whole world needs His guidance,